Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Smartphone World. In this video we are going to do an extensive real-life speed test between OnePlus Nord and Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and see which one performs better. In this speed test there will be 5 rounds: real-life speed test, app opening speed test, RAM management round, boot up test and benchmark round. I have decided to move away from traditional app opening speed test as it covers only one aspect of phone speed. Before we start the test, let me clear all backgrounding process and connect both phones to the same wireless network. In real life speed test, I will perform 15 tasks that we do mostly on a day-to-day basis and see how long does both phones take to complete the test. We'll start by capturing a photo and sharing the photo to Instagram. Let me follow it up with uploading 4 photos to Google Drive. Next up, we will compose a mail and send it using Gmail. The copy task will check the read and write speeds of your phone storage. OnePlus Nord was able to copy the file faster and the phone took 70 seconds to finish the first 5 tasks. Note 9 Pro Max took 84 seconds to finish the first 5 tasks. I have analyzed the way most of us use our smartphones and came up with these 15 tasks. Let us open the browser and launch smartphoneoit.com and share the article in Twitter. The OnePlus Nord is clearly ahead of Note 9 Pro Max and now the phone is executing the commands using Google Assistant. This test will help us to evaluate the AI performance of the processor. You can clearly notice a delay in both phones. Note 9 Pro Max took 21 seconds to process the command, whereas OnePlus Nord took 25 seconds. Next up, we will compress a 5-minute 4K video to HD resolution in a video editor app. This will help us to evaluate the performance of both CPU and GPU. OnePlus Nord rendered the video in 1 minute 31 seconds, whereas Note 9 Pro Max took 2 minutes and 20 seconds to render the video. The faster render time gave OnePlus Nord an upper hand in the speed test and shows the power of Snapdragon 765G SoC. Coming in at first is the OnePlus Nord that finished the speed test in 5 minutes 24 seconds, followed by Note 9 Pro Max that took 6 minutes and 25 seconds to complete the speed test. Next, we will move to app opening speed test. Again, let me clear all backgrounding process on both phones and connect them to same Wi-Fi network. Let's start the timer. First, let's start by opening some basic apps on both phones. When opening basic apps such as phone, settings, Instagram, both phones were neck on neck and took almost the same time to load the apps. I did not notice any major difference between the two phones. Now it's time to put GPU under test by loading games on both phones. OnePlus Nord has Adreno 620 GPU under the hood that is tad bit powerful than Adreno 618 GPU found in Note 9 Pro Max. OnePlus Nord managed to load all games such as Subway Surfers, Stack, Alto tad bit faster than Note 9 Pro Max. OnePlus Nord has got an advantage in the first round and took 64 seconds to finish the speed test round. On the other hand, Note 9 Pro Max was tad bit slower than OnePlus Nord and took 68 seconds to finish the speed test round. The OnePlus Nord has 8GB RAM on board, whereas Note 9 Pro Max has 6GB RAM on board. However, the apps we use in the speed test are not quite heavy, so I expect both phones to retain all apps in memory. As expected, OnePlus Nord retained all apps in memory and cruised the third round in just 21 seconds. On the other hand, Note 9 Pro Max failed to retain all games in memory and reloaded games such as Subway Surfers, Stack, Alto. Note 9 Pro Max took whooping 62 seconds to finish the RAM management round. OnePlus Nord took 1 minute and 25 seconds to finish the speed test, whereas Note 9 Pro Max took 2 minutes and 10 seconds to finish the speed test. We will finish this test with boot up and benchmark test. Note 9 Pro Max took just 21 seconds to boot up, whereas OnePlus Nord took 28 seconds to get things up and running. Finally, something for Redmi fans to cheer about. Coming to the benchmarks, OnePlus Nord with Snapdragon 765G managed to outperform Note 9 Pro Max in every department. In AnTuTu, OnePlus Nord scored 3,27,720 points, that is 15% higher than 2,80,017 points scored by Note 9 Pro Max. In Geekbench, OnePlus Nord scored 617 points in single-core test and 1,096 points in multi-core test, whereas Note 9 Pro Max scored 567 points in single-core test and 1,785 points in multi-core test. Even in AndroBench read and write speed test, OnePlus Nord surpassed Note 9 Pro Max by a fair margin. So let's conclude. The winner of the speed test is OnePlus Nord. With Oxygen OS and Snapdragon 765G on board, OnePlus Nord crashed Note 9 Pro Max in all departments. If speed and performance is your top priority, then go for OnePlus Nord. If you are planning to buy OnePlus Nord, please use the affiliate link in description. I hope this speed test has clearly shown the performance difference between the two phones. If you guys find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.